So hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to teach you how to hit max level, which is level 15 in Elden Ring Nightreign. So to achieve level 15 in Elden Ring Nightreign, there are things that you need to remember. One thing is that the middle castle, like the really big castle on the middle of the map, has a lot of really good bosses. So underground bosses and like the soldiers on top, they give a lot of a lot of runes. So a lot of people achieve level 15 fast by doing that area. So and like that's my tip for you. You should always visit that castle and always clear it. And second thing is, if you have increased rune relics, if you have space to put them in. So increased rune acquisition for self and allies is pretty good. It help us go to level 15, so that's pretty important too. And another thing is, I have an optimized run of the game. So if you have like a really good optimized run of the game where you're using every time to visit camps, bosses, and stuff like that. So if you have like a really good route and challenge bosses, you go specific areas and you go to the middle castle and clear out everything. If you manage to clear out everything, you can get to level 15 really fast. So right here in this footage right here, we were able to get to level 15 because we decided to clear some castles on the second day and defeat a lot of bosses. So that's how you can do it. So it's really easy, just remember that. And the more you play the game, like day one, you'll be able to reach level 10 if you have a really good run. And by day two, you can reach level 15 if you've done all the overworld bosses and done the main castle on the middle. So it really gives out a lot of XP by doing that area right there. And also, one of my big tips for you is, if you do find like the guy who offers you things like charms and stuff like that, like the boss thingy, like if you open the map, you'll see like a guy on a hooded, is holding something like weird, just this balance thingy. So you need to visit him. Say you want more runes, and he will give you a charm that gives you 20% more runes, but also does give you minimal blood loss. So the damage bare minimal. It's really worth it to get it. So that is one of my tips for you. You can also get that, and before day three, you need to get that charm to get more, runes. Also, pickled food is pretty good at getting the runes and more extra runes, and also the buffs that you get from enemies when you're defeating them. Like if you defeat this specific enemy, you will get like a rune acquisition more for yourself, like 10% more rune acquisition. So that's pretty important. And also, if you see a talisman that has a gold scarab, that is pretty good also to get more runes. And yeah, guys, so that's how you can level up in max level in Elden Ring Nightreign. If you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. And as always, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.